Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'm going to use this silicone mold to make something. This is something very simple. You don't have to have much, uh, materials for this. So obviously the main material is silicone mold. And what is it that I'm going to put inside this and make is what you have to see in the video ahead. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. Hello guys, so as you can see, this is the silicone mold that I showed you. So let's see what I'm going to make using this. I had bought this few days back, I think few weeks back actually. So yeah, let's see what I'm going to use and make. Uh, let's see. Anyway, so here's the glue gun that I got. So yes, so I'm going to put this glue gun glue in the silicone mold. So let's try this. I'm trying this for the first time, so don't judge me if it doesn't come out well. So I hope it comes at least better. So yes, I'm going to fill this part of the mold using this glue gun glue. So I hope you tell me how you like it after it is done. So I'm going to let it dry a bit and then I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so it's been few minutes and it is already dried. Since it is glue gun glue, it dries faster. So you can see, I don't know what these dust particles are in between, but okay. Anyways, I'm going to paint it. So let's paint it now. And before that, we have to do one thing. That is gesso. So obviously I'm going to apply gesso at the as a base. So let me do that. See to that it's not completely liquidy, mix it properly and then apply it. So yes, here you go. The gesso is ready. And if you want, if you don't have gesso, you can also use white paint. So do that. So I've painted both the sides. Now I'm going to paint it using brush pens because I was lazy to get my paints. So yes, even this is a paint itself. So I'm going to paint it green completely since it is a leaf shape. So I'm just liking it. It's, a bit therapeutic. So, like when you're painting and stuff. So, it's nice. So, after painting, you can see I have kept it under this LED light or UV light, whatever you say. So, it dried, not completely, but okay, it's better. So, I'm going to attach this keyring part to that. I have already attached jumping. It had a hole you might have seen in the mold. So, yes, it is ready now. You can see. Hello again guys, so this is the keychain that I made. It's a simple one. I know it's not like very, you know, luxury type or something, whatever you say. But yes, I made a simple keychain using just glue gun and the silicone mold. And obviously I used some paint and gesso for that. So you all tell me how much did you like it. Let me know your opinions in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.